Hey y'all, just to give you a little recap of the run that I did over the weekend. It was a 23-mile long run. So I had picked out a route on the rail trail, which is near me. But when I got to the rail trail, I saw that there was construction work going on. There's like a little bridge on the trail that had, I don't know, fell apart or they just took it apart and were redoing it. I don't know, but it meant that I had to run in a different direction on the trail than I had originally planned. But that was okay because it ended out being really great. The part of the trail that I ran on had much more views of the water, the river itself. So I was really happy about that because I really enjoy running by the water. So a lot of the trail, there are a lot of woody areas, but there's a great part of it that you can kind of run along the Hudson too. So that's what I did. Um, it was great. I used the homemade hydration mix that I talked about in my last video. I'll provide a link to that. Again, it was really easy to make. It's basically kind of like a homemade lemonade. It's um, uh, like you can use lemon, or you could use like a lemon mix, like a Crystal Light. That's what the recipe actually called for. You can do that. Um, and you put sugar in there and you put sodium in there too. And this mix, it felt really good. I felt great. Even a little bit better than Gatorade, to be honest. And it was way cheaper. So again, I'll provide a link to that. My muscles didn't cramp. I didn't feel like they were locking up. I didn't feel heavy. I didn't feel bloated. I didn't even crave, a ton of salty stuff afterwards. It was great. Just felt really good recovery wise. I mean, that was Saturday that I ran the 23 miles, and I feel really good today. Just a tiny bit of muscle soreness. So I would use it again. So I'll keep that in my back pocket. And until till next time, I'll check in with you again. I'm getting really closer to race day coming up in May for the Martha's Vineyard Marathon. This is going to be my 8th marathon. Super excited about it. And I can't wait to share that experience with you too. So stay tuned.